Okay, it includes all the kits right over here, consumable kits, starter kits, and for 200, 300, 400 levels. This microcontroller estimate 32 only costs like 30 to 50 bucks, very cheap. I think right now it's 20 after the discount. Pretty useful digital and digital multimeters. This is the most expensive part, which is just the analog discovery logic analyzer. You'll be using a lot in your 210 and 410 classes, especially for digital logic system design. It's just test another like output pins test for your test bench once you generate the bitstream from the FPGA board. So just build a JavaScript files with some kind of like external test and connect all the pins here. Those are all jump wires. And those are ports, some part of the back, especially you need it, I think for your electric circuits classes, like 202, 203, 302, 304 needs cadence, but for all analog electronics, they have some resistors which they will provide in lab room, but anyways, they won't even provide some kind of like transistors, diodes. Those are like capacitors, inductors here. And yeah, I mean those are capacitor inductors for 200 classes, especially you gotta build in the breadboard. I don't really have the breadboard here, but I think it only costs $5. You can just get it directly from the university like marketplace. But overall, right over here, it's just a half price you can get compared to the university marketplace. So don't get scammed too much for that, from the university. And this is the most expensive part that costs $150. So make sure you get this. And everything right over here are being used for 4 years of my studies. I'm currently a new graduate, so don't need it anymore, but I'm pretty sure all the functionalities right over here are working perfectly, and you can handle any single lab from different classes. So yeah,